Alright, so welcome to this another episode, and this video is actually made for those who are having issue with business name, like business registration or business name showing on the post incorporation portal for annual return filing. So what I want to share with you is the solution I've been able to do with my own my own business registration, and how I was able to file the annual return. So as at yesterday, I have like 2 annual returns to file, but when I checked the public search portal, it was actually showing those business name was showing on the public search portal. But when I checked the post incorporation business name, it was not showing for me to file the annual return. So like a lot of you guys might also have this issue due to the portal upgrade that happened the last time, and even till now it is still showing till now. So a lot of people believe that CAC would update this business registration maybe very soon, and maybe you have been rejecting works, you have been rejecting business name annual return filing, or maybe your agents have been telling you that you cannot file annual return. So you need to send this video to them, or if it is you need to watch this video to the end so that you know how to go about it. So the solution is absolutely simple, and I've tried it before and I know it actually works, but I see that some are still having issue with it, because when I somebody reached out to me that their business name that they want to file annual return for is not showing. I was like, they should do this and this, and it was actually helpful. So yes, this is it. And one thing I've always been preaching here on this channel is that learn how to reach out to the source, which are the CAC themselves. Learn how to reach out to the source. You cannot solve problem just by waiting patiently. Make calls, send emails, because with that you will be able to give them reminder. Even if they want to do any upgrade, they will remind, like they would treat your work, or let me use their own term, they will escalate your issue faster than every other one. So sending emails and calls is just like the best way to fast track things. All right, so there is no fast track in any way. That's just the best way to fast track, I'll tell you. So what I did was that I sent an email to them, and this is the email I sent. This email October 22, that was yesterday. So this is just basically everything in the email. This is it. I can send it to you I can send the format to you if you want. So this is everything, just a request for updates of business registration details. It was even ChatGPT that actually constructed the mail for me, and that's it. Yes, that's it. So today, 23rd, they've treated it. These two business registration is now showing on the portal, and this is it. I think I showed you one. This is it, and I was able to file the annual return, the 2 years, immediately. Watch out for another episode. We'll show you how you can file annual return for business name yourself and get your acknowledgement letter immediately. In fact, this upgrade is upgrading but with a lot of errors, right? So if you have any issue that you want us to do video on, don't forget to comment in the comment section. I'll be waiting for that. And let me show you the second business, Agri Pride, right? Agri Pride. So you see that also now. So that's just basically what you need to do. Just send them an email. I'm sure your email will be treated too within 24 hours. So this is it, the Agri Pride farm bit. So I'll do the annual return file now, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching the video to the end. If you have any question, or maybe you have any issue, just let us know in the comments. We'll treat it right away. And don't forget to join our support group. The link will be the first in the description section, so that you join our support group. If I'm unavailable to answer you, I'm sure we have a lot of professionals in the group for them to give response to your query. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.